Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Krystal Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Krystal Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. The official page of Krystal Wallet application will appear on the screen. Verify your access by entering your 6-digit passcode to sign into your Krystal Wallet's account. After you're done entering your 6-digit passcode, the home page of Krystal Wallet's account will appear on the screen. This is how you can log into your Krystal Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.